Go fly a kite.
It's Dirty Girl.
Here you go.
I think she's attempting to kill her prey.
Uh-oh.
Lighten it up.
How did you lighten it up?
Not that one.
Where'd Dirty Girl go?
Over there!
Whoa! Wait, what? Where'd Dirty...
That one. Oh. Here we go. Are you up there?
Go.
Sit.
That's her way of saying shit.
Ow. Oh.
It's her way of saying shit.
Ow.
That's her way of saying motherfucker. Got it.
You made it dark.
What? I made it light.
Never mind.
Oh no. And that's how you climb a tree.